mourning to learn the passing on of our father, our hero, our friend, General Nkaissery. I want to pass my message of condolences to the President, the family, Kenyans, and the people of Kajiado, whom he served diligently for many years as their Member of Parliament, and to our security services where he was currently serving. As a country, as a people, we have lost a great man. And this is again another blow to the Ma community following recently the passing on of Ntimama, John Keane, and now Nkaissery. We're very saddened. We don't know where to start this. We just want to say that we stand with their family. We stand with their family. We pray that the good Lord gives us strength to soldier on from here. And for now, it's just to say a message of condolences. You know, just a message of condolences. We are very, very saddened by this development. Yeah.
It comes as a shock to many. Yesterday, the CS was on duty, was at Uhuru Park with the President at the prayer service. And any leads or information on perhaps what could have been the cause of his death?
We all saw him yesterday in very high spirit with His Excellency the President and other leaders of this country. In fact, the day before yesterday, we were in the same campaign platform, campaigning for our party. And so it comes as a shock because he looked absolutely in perfect spirit, in good health. So we can't imagine that he's no more.
Well, we'll also be talking to the Member of Parliament for Kajiado Central, Memusi. Maybe a word or two. This is a man that you worked with closely. And